Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about web browser problems like pop-ups, redirects, weird ads, fake alerts, and browser settings that just miraculously change on their own. These are extremely common, and they often make users feel like their whole computer is broken. Sometimes what's happening is much bigger than the web browser, but a lot of times these symptoms just point towards bad browser extensions in your browser, notification spam, unwanted softwares running in the background, browser hijacks, or just junk that's installed along some other free tools that you may have been using. So, another thing that you want to understand is this. Not every browser problem means the entire computer is deeply infected. It doesn't necessarily mean that every web browser that you have installed is infected. For example, you could have an issue with Chrome and not with Microsoft Edge, or you could have an issue with Brave and not Firefox. A first good step is to look for clues. So you want to ask yourself questions like, did the home page change unexpectedly? Is the browser redirecting searches? Are there suspicious extensions installed? Did this start after downloading something? Are there fake security warnings popping up all over the place? And are there notifications showing spammy or suspicious messages? Again, those patterns will tell you a lot, and they often help you narrow the issue more quickly than panicking about malware in the most dramatic way possible. And a lot of these cases can live just in the browser environment itself. So that means you may just be dealing with browser abuse or junk software, bad settings, or other unwanted programs bundled into another install. And this is why browser cleanup matters so much in a real world tune up cleanup job. Users often experience browser problems as my whole computer is messed up. And from their point of view, that makes sense. So, part of your job, again, is learning how to translate that into a more useful troubleshooting direction. Because once you start recognizing those signs of browser junk and browser hijacks, these cases become much less mysterious.